How's it going everyone? Welcome back to Learn with Seb. In this video I'll show you 14 insanely awesome video intros you can use for YouTube or any other video project you may have. Stay tuned to the end and I'll show you how I created them and how you can make these in literally a few minutes. So check these out and like and subscribe if you find this useful. There you go, very professional. These have to be some of the best I've come across. Now the site I used to create these is called videobolt.net. I'll put a link to it in the description where you can get a special discount off the list price. VideoBolt is a marketplace that allows you to customize and create premium video animations. They have 3 subscription levels as you can see here. If you pay yearly, it works out cheaper, but you can also pay monthly. All packages come with the commercial license, so you can use it for your business. However, the unlimited package comes with a reseller license, so you could resell these animations to other people. If you wanted to make extra money online, you could use this website to sell video intros on FIVERR, for example. They literally have hundreds of professional templates to choose from, so it's worth the money if you make videos for your business on a regular basis. The video intros I created have a dark background and a light logo because that's what I wanted. However, you could choose different colored backgrounds depending on your brand colors and logo. I'll show you how to make one now. You can see a list of templates they provide at the top. I selected intro. If you hover over the thumbnails, you can see a preview of what it will look like. Then it's just a matter of deciding which one you like and then click on edit. The editor will then load up. The tabs on the left will allow you to edit your video. If you click on the second one down, which is themes, you can apply pre-made color variations. I will keep it on the original for now. If you click on media at the top, you can add your logo and some text. Just click upload and add your image. Make sure it's a PNG with no background. They'll recommend a size here. My logo wasn't exactly this size, but it still worked out fine. I'll choose media library because I've already uploaded my logo. then click select. You'll get a preview of your logo here. I have white text so you can't exactly see it, but once it goes onto a template you'll be able to see the text more clearly. I'll also just add my website address and click save. Now if you click preview image, you can see what the video will look like at the time selected in the preview window. It won't render the video until you've finished all your edits. So when you click play, it will still show the stock logo. But if you pause it and then click preview again, you can see what the final version will look like at that specific frame. This is useful as you want to check the sizing and clarity is okay before you produce the final video. You can also change the audio here if you want. Now, the Customize tab allows you to personalize all colors and effects in the video template to make it your own and match your brand colors. So you can change the font, the logo color, the particle colors, and so much more. Again, once you've made the changes, you can click preview at different frames to see what it will look like. You can play around with these options as much as you want. The Videos tab shows previous renders of your video. You can see all your changes with the History tab or Get Help here. Once you've finished editing the design, rename your project here and click Produce Video. This will produce a low quality preview of the video and show you the time it will take to render. Most importantly, this will not use up any of your video credits. It's just a watermarked preview. Now, Video Bolt will work its magic. Then you can press play and see what it looks like. If you're happy, you can then click remove watermark and this will use up one of your video credits. Once you're done, you can download the video MP3 or zip file containing the video, a thumbnail and a license. Happy days. If you decide to use this, then feel free to click the link in the description to sign up to Video Bolt and get a special discount. As always, like and subscribe if you found this useful, and also subscribe to my mailing list at learnwithseb.com for more useful information straight to your inbox. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.